In this video, we come to learn how to make questions. Sometimes during our daily activities or our daily conversation with people, we come to ask questions about different items, different topics, different devices that we have or other people have. Today, we're gonna focus on 5 questions. What make is it? What's this button for? How long is the battery life? How much does it weigh? What size is it? Please, if you find the video interesting, like it and stay with us by subscribing our channel to learn a lot of structures and a variety of different contexts in English, learning and practicing. Stay with us today. Hello, this is Omid from Speak Rage with me. As you know, we're gonna focus on questions today. Yes, we ask questions about something or some devices or products that people have. The first one is, what make is it? Yes, we want to know the name of the product or the name of the company that makes the product. What make is it? It's a Samsung. It's an Apple. It's an LG. Yes. The next one is, what's this button for? We want to know technically about the use of different items in different products. Yes, we say, what's this button for? It turns it on. Sometimes learners come to ask questions and they make inappropriately wrong structures. What's this button about? No, that is not true. We need to be careful about great collocation. And the other question is, how long is the battery life? Yes. Oh, it works about 10 hours. Or it works about 5 hours. When we want to know the quality, when we want to know about the quality of a product, we don't ask how long is the battery. In this case, we may focus on the size of the product or the battery. That is not true. How long is the battery life? And we come with this question. How much does it weigh? We want to know if something is heavy or light. You go shopping and you want to take something that doesn't bother you when you take it or when you work with it. How much does it weigh? It's a laptop, for example, PC. It's about 1 kilogram. Less or somehow more. Yes, the great collocation is, how much does it weigh? We don't say, how much is it? Or how does it weigh? No, how much does it weigh? Mostly we come to make this inappropriate collocation. And the last question is, what size is it? Be careful, collocation is what size. Mostly speakers come to say, how much size is it? No. We don't use this kind of structures or this words for the question. What size is it? We want to know if something is big or small. You go shopping for a laptop. What size is it? The screen is about 14 inches. We don't use other structures, words inappropriately. What size is it? Not how much is it? Yes, please. I say, if you find the video interesting, like it and stay with us by subscribing to learn a lot of structures and stay together with the great process of learning English.